history, various cultures and spiritual traditions have acknowledged the presence of angels, celestial beings often regarded as messengers between the divine and humanity. Many believe that these angels watch over us and interact with our lives, providing guidance, comfort, and protection. Now, while these interactions may not always be overt, there are subtle signs suggesting that angels might be around you. In this video, we're going to delve into 8 signs commonly associated with the presence of angels around you. Now, first up, we have inexplicable feelings of peace and calm. Now, this is one of the most profound indicators of angelic presence, which can be overwhelming, especially during tumultuous times. When faced with challenges or emotional distress, if you feel suddenly a wave of calm washing over you, it might be a sign that angels are actually surrounding you. This divine peace often brings clarity, offering reassurance that you're not alone in your struggles. Next up, we have a scent of flowers or fragrance. Now, in many spiritual traditions, the presence of angels is often associated with specific scents, particularly floral aromas. People frequently report smelling familiar fragrances like roses or jasmine without any clear source. This olfactory experience is a way that angels may communicate their presence, providing comfort or even signaling a loved one's presence in spirit. So sometimes you may hear whispers or soft voices. This could include hearing soft whispers, distinct phrases, or even random, encouraging thoughts that pop up into your mind. Now, these gentle voices can serve as a form of guidance, urging you to take a certain path or comforting you during high times. Now, it's essential to be attuned to these subtle sounds and recognize them as potential messages from angels. Now, you may also see repeating numbers. Many people report encountering specific numbers repeatedly, such as 111, 222, or even 444. Now, these coincidences are often seen as messages from angels. In numerology and angelic communication, these numbers may carry specific meanings related to guidance, encouragement, or spiritual awakening. So, for example, if you're saying 111, this might signify new beginnings that are on the horizon, while 444 could indicate that angels are providing support and protection. Now, the next thing is finding feathers or coins. Now, the discovery of feathers, often white or light-colored feathers, in unexpected places can symbolize that angels are actually present. Feathers are considered a sign from the divine, representing guidance or a reminder that your angels are watching over you. Now, this is the same thing as finding coins, especially if they hold special meaning or remind you of a loved one. This can actually signify an angelic presence. We also have experiencing synchronicities and coincidences. Paying attention to synchronicities or coincidences can reveal the presence of angels in your life. Now, these occurrences often seem too perfectly timed to be mere chance. When you think of someone and they call you shortly afterward, or when you stumble upon a solution to a long-standing problem in an unexpected way, it might be a nudge from the angels, affirming that they are guiding your journey. Now, the next sign is feeling a sense of protection. A palpable feeling of being guided or protected is another sign of angelic presence. This sensation may arise during moments of vulnerability, contributing to a sense of safety even in dire situations. Many individuals recount experiences where they were spared from harm or felt an invisible barrier shielding them during adversity, attributing this protective feeling to the intercession of angels. Now, obviously, we also have intuition and inner guidance. Now, angels often communicate through intuition, offering guidance that can manifest as gut feelings or strong convictions. Now, when faced with decisions or uncertainty, if you find yourself leaning towards a particular path, it might be your angels guiding you. Trusting your instincts and paying attention to your inner voice can facilitate clarity and align you with your higher purpose. Now, it is important for you to remember that interpretation may vary between individuals. The belief in angelic presence relies on personal faith and spiritual connection. Now, whether you resonate with these signs or not, keeping an open mind and heart can allow you to have a deeper exploration of the spiritual realm and its potential guidance. Now, if you have resonated with 3 or more of these signs, then I can assure you angels have been or are actually around you. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.